Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. We're going to be changing the chain on the WR250F. It's pretty simple, but we thought somebody might want to see it if they're new to motorcycling, and we thought we would spend the time to do it. So the first thing to do is to get the bike up on our Black Widow stand. Now that we have the bike on stand, we have to take the chain apart. Now this chain, believe it or not, is the original factory chain. So there is no master link with the little spring clip. So we actually have to use a tool, and we have a chain breaker here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to clamp it on one of the links and push the pin out. So now we got it clamped on. You hold with one wrench, and basically we're going to push the pin through. All right, so you can see we push the pin out, and now take the tool. We have to back the tool out. All right. All right, now that we got that out, we can take the chain off. So we are using a Pro Taper chain. My son likes the color, and these came with a decent review, so we're going to give it a shot. So I want to show the chain side by side, and as you can see, this is very rusty, but when we bought this chain, we didn't buy the exact length, so we need to cut off a length of this. So there's the master link. This is essentially the master link on the old chain. So basically what we got to do is we got to take that pin out of the new chain to make it the same size. Got the pin marked, and all we have to do now is push it through. All right, so we got the pin removed, and we're ready to install the chain. So in this chain, we opted for the removable master link just in case we wanted to take it off. All right, we are ready to install the chain. And it also helps to keep the bike in neutral so the counter shaft spins. Pretty simple, but thought I'd mention it anyway. And then the chain will also have to be fed through the chain guide in the rear. All Alright, so then the rear sprocket basically holds the chain in place, and now we have to install the master link. So the chain comes with lubricant, and this lubricant has to be installed on the master link. This is the lubricant for the pins, also lubricant for the O-ring. So we want to install this lubricant on first before we install it onto the bike. So we're getting ready to install the master link. We got the pins lubricated. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the master link and install it from the back side forward. Okay, and then we're going to put more lubricant on the face. Okay, now we're going to put the O-rings on. And then we install the plate. Now this plate may need to be pressed on. All right, now that we have the master link installed and we have the plate installed, you want to put the clip on. Now this clip will face forward as the chain rotates. So you want it to go through the counter shaft this way, not this way. So the chain is moving in this direction. That's the direction you want that to go. So we're going to install this like that. All right, so now we have the clip installed and we're ready to tighten everything up. Okay, so we're gonna spin it just to make sure that there's no binding at all. All right, so now we wanna measure the chain. It should be between 1.5 inches and 2 inches. So we're about at 1.5 inches, which is the tightest. Now this chain is going to loosen up a little bit. So we're gonna leave it as 1.5 inches and then check it after we ride a few times. All right guys, that's how you install chain on a 2013 WR250F. So if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell so you won't miss our next episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.